Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about the new update coming to Jailbreak, guys. It's the mid-season update, guys. It's the mid-season update. Right now the season is going on. The season 2 is coming. Like, it's not coming, it's going on right now. You can see there are like 16 days and 9 hours left for it. Okay, and I have completed till 9th level. You can see up there. Only one more level to go and I'll make a video about it. And now guys, there is going to be a March update. Okay, it is a March update coming this weekend. So you guys can now see it. I'll show you. So we are right now at the Buddymo Twitter, the original page. Okay, so now, so the update news had started like from it started from March 2. Yeah, it started from March 2. So Buddymo tweet, and right now it's March 5. Okay, so Buddymo tweeted first, it's time for #jailbreak update news, #Roblox. The Lambo is finally being replaced by an all-new model. We started completely over. This jailbreak favorite will finally have an interior, accurate exterior, and other great details. Best of luck. It's a free upgrade, guys. So I'll show you the picture. Yeah, this is the picture. How does this look like? It has interior, guys. This is the picture. This is the picture. Okay, this is like the front side, and this is back side, and this is sideways look. It's cool, it's awesome, it's amazing. Right now our right now a Lamborghini, I'll show you how is it. Right now our Lamborghini is this one. Yes, it's this. If we compare, then almost everything changed. As you can see, I'll go to front view. We'll go, okay, wait a second. Yeah, so as you see, this has like this and like 2 here and there, but this is completely different. It's big enough. From here, it is there till here. Okay, so this is here. Then now we'll see back view of it. Back view has the same this, but just one difference is like this will be a bit open. Okay, and back view is also completely different. It's also completely different, guys. Okay, and now I'll show the sideways view. So this will have interior now, and you can see right now. One second. Yeah, this is a sideways look. See, I am not sure which rims are these, but I'm trying. Is this the new rims, or are there any more rims are coming? Let me check in Mobile Galaxy. I am over here. If I sit over here, and then one second, we'll go to rims, right? Yeah, rims. Okay, it's the ball rim. Yeah, it's the ball rim. Bull rim. Sorry, bull rim. See, yeah, it's a bull rim. Okay, now it will have interiors. That's good. And next is also, this is for you racers out there. We're finally adding steering wheel animations, and these upgraded animations will also now be seen by your friends and passenger. More update news tomorrow featuring a new item. So see guys, this I'll spawn an interior and I'll spawn a Cybertruck. No, I'll spawn beam hybrid only. They are doing in beam hybrid only, right? See, Right now, we can see our hands moving, not our steering wheel, right? But guys, in this video, BatCC is driving, and we can see the steering wheel also moving. So basically, this is very good. Okay, this is new. It's good. So our next will be get your hands on our newest #jailbreak item, smoke grenades. Guys, smoke grenades are coming. Add some stealth and confusion to any area by throwing one of these. Vision will be obscured, making for a great gateway. Coming soon. Tomorrow, a speedy vehicle announcement. #Roblox. Okay, so we'll go back. We'll go now to gun shop. There are grenades, but there are no smoke grenades. They're adding smoke grenades to a jailbreak. Okay, this will be like if we throw smoke grenade over here, then the coming person from bank till gun shop will not be able to see properly anything. So it will be difficult for him. Okay, then see, it's here. Okay, we have this. There are C4 ammo, grenade, rocket ammo, and rocket launcher. Okay, grenade cost $500. Okay, so I'll show you. See this. Grenade causes let me check. Whoa, it gives so much damage, guys. Just in 2 or in 3 shots I'm dead. Okay, that was like, okay. So now we'll go to our next. Okay, we'll go next item, which is who's ready for the newest vehicle. Okay, it's the next #Roblox #jailbreak vehicle is the Airtail. This aerodynamic supercar features a long sweeping tail and central driving seat. Not only does it have supercar performance, but it seats 232. You will find it at airport for 600,000. Guys, this is the new Airtail car. Okay, it is looking very super, guys. It's too good. It's looking so good, guys. Okay, so this is it, how it has its car doors, and it has interiors also, and plus 3 seats, guys. You can see 1 driver seat, 1 passenger seat, and 1 at behind passenger seat. It's just like, I guess, Deja also has 3 seats, I guess. I'm not sure. Yeah, I guess. Let me check. But Deja is very slow, guys. Deja 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 seats. Deja has 3 seats, but it is shown 4 seats, but it has 3 seats. You can see back over here just. Okay, and plus Audi R8 also has 3 seats. Okay, but I don't have it, so I can't show you. It is retired. So Audi R8 also has 3 seats, and this also has 3 seats. Okay, its back looks so good. It has tail, that's why it names Airtail. Okay, guys, 600,000 is our Roadster. 600,000 is our Roadster. Can this car, like not Deja, can the Airtail beat Roadster or not? We'll see, guys. We're going to see. I have mobile camera, but I thought that it will take time, so I'll just come here. So where is our guys? You can see McLaren also has a back look of it. Yeah, it does, and a front look. Yeah, it does. This is a Roadster, which is like 4-seater. No, only 2-seater. I meant, sorry. 2 seats are for back. It's just shown. Okay, 2-seater, and it costs 600,000. So right, currently in the game, this is the fastest car. Okay, this is the fastest car currently. But when the Torpedo was there, okay, which was the cost of $750,000. $100,000. Whoa. god, man. Okay, just leave it. Yeah. So $750,000. That was the fastest car. Okay, right now it's okay. So you guys saw just that like this was the car. Okay, and guys, sorry for that. Actually my laptop just shut down, so I wasn't able to recover it, so that's why, sorry for that. But I'm continuing right now. So I told you till over here that this car is coming. Okay, and this is like the Airtel and 600,000, 3 seats. I told you till here. And guys, now this next is we have a bunch of smaller things to announce, so we are going to break it up into multiple tweets throughout the day. First up, huge fan request: the swag pistol returns. Operate in silence with the pass exclusive item. So we'll go to this police station. Coming. I'll go over here. 1 second, guys. Yeah. So yeah. So here we are, and plus, see guys. See, this is the pistol. Okay. So we can't equip it right now because I don't have swag. Okay, I don't have it. You can see over here. Now this is normal pistol, but this is the silencer with this, like, okay, it will return, guys. Like, it came already, but it will return again. Okay, so it's so good. It's good, but I have no Robux left, but I'll try. Okay, I'm going to buy Robux very soon, and then we'll buy Swag Pass, and next we are going to buy VIP Pass. Okay, now our next is more bits and pieces we have been working on. Robbery icons will soon tell you if robberies are open. Pass holders will continue to get notification when one opens up. Weapons will no longer reload in the background and have a slight delay on equipping to combat gun spam. So you can see, I'll tell you what. See guys, right now all the robberies are marked with green buttons except the bank truck. Bank truck is marked with red button. So like this, what is going to happen is that all the robberies will be marked as this normal red button, and when it opens it will be marked as green button. So I can see the donut shop also, so no one knows if the donut shop also is like that or not, but we'll see. Okay, so let's see. Now you guys can see that it's red in bank truck, so I am not sure if it is green when it opens. Like 25 is reading, right? So I'm not sure if when it opens is it green or does it still like is in red. No one knows. Okay, now you guys might be wondering, then what is the use of boss pass? Boss pass will be useless. People who have like me, they will be like, that was a waste of my Robux. So what will happen, I'll tell you. Our next tweet is: Boss Game Pass owners, don't panic. You will find out about open locations up to a minute before other players. The updated icons will benefit everybody, and the early boss notification will still allow you to an upper hand in your robbery. So what will happen is that whenever the robberies are open, like if any robberies is open, like if the jewelry store is open, then just like it's right on 2:30 AM, and in VIP servers it opens at 10 PM, and like if right now, okay, I'm not saying like it's right now, I'm telling if if the time was right now 9 p.m. okay, then we are waiting for the jewelry store to open, and just then now it's 10 p.m. okay, it just opened. So boss players like me, I will get it just as it opens. Okay, just opens, I'll get the notification. But other players will get it after 1 minute. Like see, right now 3:45 a.m. and it's in real life it's 8:50 p.m. So if you guys see that, okay, you guys see that it's open right now, right? It's open. So if right now it's open, so I got the notification, okay, but players didn't, because they'll get after 1 minute of opening. Okay, they'll get after 1 minute of opening. They'll get the icon updated after 1 minute of opening. And in that time, boss players can, if boss players are right now in just if boss players are right now in the cargo port and they got the message of that the jewelry store is open, so what will happen, that the players will not get to know, because that's right now not 1 p.m. like not, sorry, it's not 1 minute over. After 1 minute they'll get the icon will update. Okay, so that's the, and in that time, in that 1 minute, the players can go inside and start the robbery and go till second floor. They can go till second floor, and then that, and once the icon updates, then only this players will come over here. So they will have to come from third floor, okay, from the from the third floor or fourth floor, something like that, right? Yeah. So that's the boss player have an advantage, okay, and that's the disadvantages for normal player. And that's what, okay. So you can see over here all the robberies. See, as in this picture, that's red and this red, okay, and this is green. So that means bank is open, and I guess that is power plant. So power plant is open, okay. So that is the main thing. Now, who hates hashtag jailbreak combat logging? Criminals who leave the game or switch team will have their bounty go to the nearest police officer if they are within a close enough distance. The update is scheduled to land this weekend. We'll keep you updated. So guys, you what happens, right, that if there is an auto robber, you know, nowadays there are many auto robbers, but Asimo is trying to fix it, okay. Asimo is trying to fix it. And see guys, if auto robbers have 35,000 bounty or 30,000 bounty, and police, there will be so many police because they want the 30,000 bounty. 30,000 is lot, so they want it. So what will happen, and what then after the auto robber gets 30,000 bounty, if he leaves, okay, if he leaves the game or switch the team to police, that he will auto arrest now. So what will happen, that the nearest police officer, like, see, if I am over here, okay, I am a police officer, and the auto robber is just in the museum, okay, think he's just in the museum, he's outside the museum, okay, and there are no other police, okay, there are police in the game, but there are no other police nearest to him. So if he switches the team or if he leaves the game, then I'll get his bounty. I'll get the $30,000, okay, in the game. That will be good, because that's not only for auto robbers, that is for all players in the game. If someone has like 5,000 bounty, or they have a contract of doing 3,000 bounty, and they have done with it, and like if people, and then if people, like if he switches the team or he leaves the team, then what will happen, that police officer who is close enough, like if the person is over here and I am just over here, okay, I'm just over here, then and another person is over here. That guy is the police officer. This guy is the police officer, and the one standing over here is the criminal, and one that I am standing over. So if that guy resets, then the closest police will get his bounty. If that guy has 3,000 bounty, if that guy has 9,000, if that guy has $50 bounty, that guy, the closest police will get his bounty. You can see, like, you can't see, but what I meant is the person over here, like I told you, right, will get his bounty because he is very close. He's like just very so close to this. Okay, and I am over here, so I'll take, like, see, I'll show you how much time do I take. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I took 6 seconds, and now we'll see from here how much time will this take. Let's see. 1 2 3 4. This is like 4 seconds distance. So 4 seconds distance is close, so that guy will get the bounty. So guys, this was for all today for video. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, we are so close to 1.5k subs, and face reveal coming very soon at 1.5k subs. So bye guys, have fun, enjoy, bye.